Sometimes, while using the press-pull command to move faces, it is useful to be able to specify a certain distance from a face that is different from the face that you have initially selected. In this example, this cylinder was extruded 50 mm from this face. Suppose that I want to increase the length of the cylinder. I can select the end face of the cylinder and invoke the press-pull command. At this point, Fusion 360 actually wakes up the extrude feature, as you can see in the timeline here. From here, you can change the distance accordingly. But what if you decide to change the design intent and want to take reference from the back face of the square feature instead? So here is where the re-anchor feature comes in. Go to the drop-down menu and select Re-anchor. Select your new reference face and type in the distance required. You can see that the dimension is now referenced from the back face of the square feature to the end of the cylinder.